see big dolphins. Woo! Hi guys, this is very amazing video. Amazing. You cannot see anywhere in the world. Come to Timor-Leste. You can see dolphins here, live in the ocean. Subscribe my channel. God bless you. They're coming this side. Hey, coming. Come. Dolphin. Hey, come. Very speed. Whoa. Wow. Hey. Okay, the big fish, I think. చాలా స్పీడ్ పరిగెడుతున్నాయి. క్యాప్చర్ చేసిన. Hi guys, you must subscribe my channel, okay? You cannot see these videos. Don't miss. I'll show you more than better than this. Yes, there are so many. Three more coming. Let me make zoom.